Hello classmates, today I am going to give you a brief description of my black horse, or rather my toy horse. This horse was a gift from my aunt Marian. It was very special toy because it accompanied me during an important part of my childhood. During difficult moments, I saw it as a friend. It kept me company and helped me feel better. It was black horse with light brown hair, big ears and eyes, and brown legs. Sadly, its short life ended when I took a syringe and injected it. After that, the horse deflated, and that was the